What's up, neurodiverse squad? Part 2 of ADHD relationships. In this video, we're going to talk about how people with and without ADHD can help better understand each other and build teamwork. So stay tuned for more on ADHD and relationships. So let's get started. The biggest thing for the person in the relationship that has ADHD, or if both people in the relationship have ADHD, is to acknowledge that your symptoms are interfering with your relationship and it's not your partner being unreasonable. And trust me, you need to explore treatment options, even not just for you, but for your partner, because I guarantee once this treatment starts kicking in and working, your partner will ease off. If one or both of you have strong emotions or a short fuse that could possibly derail a conversation, it's good to have a conversation in advance stating you can step away and kind of take a time out. That way you can calm down and refocus yourself. So something that I have found, find ways to spoil your partner. That is the best thing ever, and it makes them really feel like you care about them. And by spoil, I'm not saying, go buy them fucking diamonds and shit or stuff like that all the time, But it can be something little, like taking a delicious frozen pizza out of the oven because your partner is afraid of ovens. That means a ton. Those little things, they add up. It'll make them feel cared for by you and that they don't need to parent you. Because I know a lot of times with ADHD relationships, one of the people in the relationship feels like they're constantly having to parent the other person in the relationship. So for anyone in the audience that does not have ADHD, you have to remember you can't control your partner, but you can control your own emotions and reactions. So you gotta stop verbal attacks and the nagging. These don't get good results with us. So you wanna encourage your partner, especially when they make any progress, and definitely acknowledge their achievements. Affirmation is a big thing. We want to feel like people see what we do. I mean, I do. So always try to focus on our intentions rather than what we do. We could have good intentions. I could have wanted to hang something up for my wife, and then it's this picture she really likes, and I screw up and I drop the picture and break it. You have that right to be upset, and we feel bad as well. So that's just to hug it out. And then you get over it and you apologize. Because something else, we may lose concentration, but that doesn't mean we don't care what you have to say. I could be super interested in something someone's talking to me about, but there be one word I will catch and I'll latch onto, and then it'll trigger something in my head, and then I'll start thinking about that one word and things that it's linked to. And then I'll build a scenario in my head, and then it just, rolls down the hill, gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger until I'm immersed in this thought I just created, and this other world or this idea or this memory I had that this word triggered. I can't help that. So, and I know no one else can help that. We can try to bring ourselves back, but it's so hard. It's like playing tug of war. And for me, to everyone I've done that to, I am sorry, but I'm not sorry. Because you know what? My brain just built this whole other world, and I'm a 31-year-old adult, but I am still able to have the imagination of a child. So it's dope. I love it. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep seeing content about ADHD, dyslexia, and everything else in between. So, peace out, squad.